Hello guys, my name is Pawan and I welcome you all towards my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to discuss about 6 important Christ University interview based questions. This is going to be the part 7 video. I've uploaded couple of many videos on how you're supposed to prepare for the interview in terms of common interview based questions as well as campus based questions, self introduction, on how to prepare for your micro presentation. So all those videos have been uploaded. So if you have not watched it, I'll put up the link in the description box. Do give a watch. It can help you a lot with your preparation. Guys, secondly, I would like to tell you, for the students who are being appearing for BA as well as for BBA LLB course at Christ University, I've created a separate YouTube channel known as Art of Law. I'll be putting that link in the description box, where I've uploaded a couple of videos on how you're supposed to crack your interview in terms of factors like how you're supposed to prepare for GK, legal terms. So all that I will be uploaded in that particular YouTube channel. So please do give a watch as well as subscribe. As such, you'll get a continuous notification as each time I upload a video. Guys, so now let's get started with the discussion of today's important topic of 6 important Christ University questions which you're supposed to prepare. Guys, the first question is, what are the core values of Christ University? Or the question can be on, what is the vision and mission of Christ University? Guys, whenever I observe a general pattern mistake done by the students is that they do not research about the university. See, in case if your interviewer is asking you this particular question, the main intention is behind to know whether you have done a background research about the university. So that's the reason. Please do learn its vision, mission and core values. However, in the link I'll be putting up in the description box, which clearly mentions about its vision, mission and core values, please do give a glance. It's taken from the university website itself, so it can help you a lot. And try applying these concepts in any aspect of your life. See, in case if they're asking you, oh, how do you think the core values of Christ University can be applicable in your life? So just see on how you can relate it. And it's very simple terms. For example, faith in God, social responsibility. So those kind of words, try relating to a practical life and giving a small example towards it. So on how it can engage towards you as well as your practical life, connecting to core values, give a small description or small narrative about it that can impress the interviewers. The second question is, why should Christ University select you, or why should we select you in the Christ University? So the main answer which you can tell is that I have the right amount of skill set and the aptitude to learn about this course. You can tell that that's a beautiful point. I have the right amount of skill set and the aptitude to learn about this course. Or you can also talk about your previous achievements which you have done. For example, if you're very much fascinated in organizing different events and fest in your school or in a college level, by being part of the university, you can tell that you will also be doing the same. By this, you can tell that you would be much more responsible and leadership holding person. And third point which you can tell is that you will be able to adjust to Christ environment in terms of its discipline environment or all other factors. You'll be able to adjust and you would love to utilize the opportunities provided by the university in a best efficient manner. So the third question is, how would you contribute to Christ University? Guys, here you can mention about the external research, whatever you do. Like once you understand the background about what are the activities provided by the university, plus what are the factors of support provided by the university for the student community, you can mention those particular aspects. For example, you can mention about you would love to take part in the social service initiative of Christ University, such as CSA. It's a community development program which is basically to support as well as to uplift the underprivileged kids, in which even Christ many students are basically sponsoring the students. So you can mention that you would also be liking to be part of CSA as a volunteer. You can also be telling about the SWO, Student Welfare Organization, which is playing a very important role in our university to support the students functioning. And second point, or the third point which you can mention, is that I have always been associated with organizing events. If given an opportunity, I will do the same. As such, I can contribute to university through different means by organizing fest events for different various programs. You can even mention about those. And third aspect which you can tell that is that you can contribute to the university by supporting its peer development, peer groups, for example, classmates, batchmates, supporting them through different factors. So you can mention on those particular aspects. So make sure that you prepare a well-defined answer. For example, why university should select you and what would you contribute towards the university. Guys, this suffices the first 3 important questions which you're supposed to prepare. Guys, the fourth question which I've just introduced over here is that, for example, if you're applying for BCom, Finance and Accountancy, at that time, interviewers can ask what has basically passionated you to take this particular course. Or they may also ask you, for example, why would you like to join for BCom Finance and Accountancy and not for BBA? Guys, at that time, you're supposed to prove to the interviewers that you're worthy for the course. Tell about what are the important factors you're interested about this course. I would like to give a small tip. Type this your course name in the Google along with it Christ University. You'll get a small description about the course in the university. You'll get the important key terms and then you can speak it out. You can also tell about your interest, what is your passion, align it, and then you can speak it out. So for example, if I was a student, I would have been said that, sir, I have opted for BCom Finance and Accountancy because from a very young age, I strongly believe that accountancy can play a very huge role in any kind of entrepreneurship firm. So by taking up this course, I think that I'll be surely getting up the huge skills in terms of understanding the marketing structure, in terms of accounting factor, which can play a mere future role in my career aspect. So as such, I've been opted for BCom Finance and Accountancy. And I can so on keep on adding. I've just mentioned the first 2 lines, but you are supposed to add on further upon it. Just build the foundation and the grasping structure to make it a better answer. Got it? So the 5th question can be on, have you applied for any other college? So guys, at this point of time, you're supposed to tell that, yes, sir, I've applied for other college, but my main priority is Christ. Please do mention this, because whenever I conduct mock interviews, I hear many kind of different answers. Like most of the students say that no, they have not applied for other college, or they start describing about different colleges they have applied. Please don't do that. Just make a simple answer by telling them, yes sir, I've applied for other college, but my main priority is Christ. This will show that you're very much ambitious in your life and you're even able to take up a backup plan. So these factors can be really impressing towards the interviewers. Now the 6th important question is, do you have any questions for me? So at last, normally even in an interview they ask, do you have any questions for me? At that time, ask something related to the course. That matters a lot. For example, you can ask about what are the recruitment opportunities provided by the Christ University after the end of 3rd year of this particular course. You can ask about the recruitment opportunities. You can ask about the certificate course availabilities. All those factors you can keep on adding, but make sure that you ask one question that's maximum good. But if you want, you can keep limited to maximum 2, that's fine, as a backup plan. So guys, make sure that you prepare these 6 questions answers in a well-defined manner. It can help you a lot with your preparation, because at least one kind of question from here they can probably ask. Sometimes it depends, but kindly make sure that you prepare a very good solid answer during your preparation. And if you have any doubts, kindly get in touch with me. My Insta ID is pavan.ss and my email ID is pavanss102@gmail.com. I'll put the same in the description box. So if you have any doubts, kindly get in touch with me. Even if you want helps regarding mock interviews, I am completely beefing to help you guys. So please do get in touch with me so that I could help you out. So that's all for today. If you do like this video, please do like it, share it and subscribe. For the next video which I'm going to upload, it's going to be on how it should be your mindset before preparing for the interview or before attending the interview. So how you're supposed to keep your mindset, how you're supposed to channelize yourself before attending the interview to ace it. So this is going to be my next topic which I'm going to discuss. That's going to be on part 8. So see you in my next video. Goodbye.